Hey guys, doing a bike check today. This is my Canondale Chase 1, 2006. It's got dirt jumper bomber 2s on the front. Stock single track sun rims. Kenda John Tomac edition small block 8 tire. ODI long necks are really annoying. These really beat up plastic bar ends.
These look like crap.
Really good though. They're really nice. Elixir 3 in pristine. Loving them. Brakes. That's not the name, by the way. NS stem. FSA the pig headset. I don't know. I didn't buy it. Spank Sabrosa chocolate seat.
That's Sabrosa?
Yep.
Dang.
DMR V8 red pedals, obviously. Hustle felt cranks. I have no clue what the bottom bracket is. I'm pretty sure it's stock, but I bought the bike about a year and a half ago from a gentleman down over in East for $750. The guy said he put over $2,000 into it, so this bike's in pretty nice condition. It started with a derailleur in 2006, and now it has, well, obviously a single gear and a tensioner. This bike is my baby.
What's its name?
Its name's Jesus. Want some grease?
No, screw off. Screw off. Alright, so do a trick for us.
Alright.
Do your famous catwalk. He can do 12 crank catwalks. Don't think he'll get it right this one though. That was crap, man. There you guys have it. Talk to you guys later.